Assalamualaikum, Dr. Zakir. My name is Muhammad Niza. I just recently graduated from medical college. So my question is regarding the haram about touching the dog. So when I listen to your answer, the saliva is haram probably due to the rabies. You said about hydrophobia. So now recently we know there is vaccine produced against rabies. So what is your answer to it?
But the question that I gave, one of the reasons that why we should not touch the dog, and I said that licks the body, and one of the reasons that can be the reason not given in the hadith, and I gave that the saliva has certain germs and rabies, etc. He being a doctor is saying that now we have a rabies vaccine, So what is the reply? Brother, when you jump from the second floor, what will happen? You fracture your leg. You go to the hospital, you have treatment for the fractured leg. Will you jump from the second floor?
No.
Why? You're a doctor. Will you die? Chances are less. Second floor you won't die, but you'll break a bone. So will you jump?
No.
You can go to the prostitute. Maybe you'll get STD. Is there treatment for STD? STD, sexually transmitted disease, gonorrhea. Treatment is there, not AIDS.
Yes, yes.
Will you go?
No.
If you have diabetes, okay, we'll give you insulin. Will you have extra sugar? Prevention is better than cure. You're a doctor. I'm also a doctor.
Sure.
So will you tell your doctor, oh, do everything, I'm a doctor, I will give you injection. So when the patient comes with rabies, no problem, go to the docs, take more bites, I will keep on giving you injection. What will the patient tell you? What will the patient tell you? You're a good doctor. Patient will tell you the doctor wants to make money. Therefore he's telling, okay. So prevention is better than cure. So in Islam is the solution. The solution is stay away from it, don't take vaccine. Why you want to get injected with the disease and then take a medicine? Best is prevention is better than cure. Hope that answers the question.
Thank you, Doctor.